Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you'd seen on my socials recently, I am now an ambassador for the eco-friendly car cleaning brand Mile Deep. They sent me their full range of car cleaning products, which was just fantastic. I wanted to focus on the sort of products that most of you out there who take care of your car will be using. We've had some good weather, let's get outside and see how these perform. Let's have a quick look at the state of the car it is now. Now the wheels look shocking. Look at all the salt and dirt that is dried on the side of the vehicle, in the wheel arches. The rear bumper is literally, you can't see any more shine anymore. The gloss black plastics are no longer gloss. So first is their citrus pre-wash called Release, and I diluted this 1 to 5 parts in their spray bottle. Next up, I threw some of their iron and fallout remover all on the wheels and the lower parts of the car. And I'm happy to say this stuff doesn't stink that bad. Then for the fun part, it was using their concentrated snow foam. During the time lapse, you can see how well this clings and stays on the car. So now it's just onto the contact wash with their cleanse shampoo. I really liked how this was really nice and frothy and sort of creamy, and there was loads of suds. And again, just to reiterate, this is a very eco-friendly product. Now on to removing the tar spots with their Resolve. I can honestly say this is the best and fastest tar remover I have ever used. It says to dwell for 5 minutes. I found honestly less time than that, they were gone. Onto their ceramic foam sealant, which I diluted 1 to 4 parts. Such an easy product to use, and the results were awesome. As a drying aid, I then used their ceramic quick detailer. Simple spray on, wipe off, and I did notice on the black that it did leave a darker shine. Look at how glossy the end result was. Plus it leaves a nice smooth finish. It was then time to dress the tyres, which I hadn't done in a long time. I applied mine with a tyre foam pad and it did the job. So onto the end result. I think you can all agree that Bluey is now looking sharp. It is really, really clean. It's got an awesome deep gloss to the paint. Now, unless you were up close, you'd never know that the car was full of tar down the sides, but that tar remover was fantastic and it was so easy to use. It's just so nice to know that down both sides of the car is completely tar free and protected. And to top it all off, these products are eco-friendly as they can be. And that's both product and packaging. And a benefit from being an ambassador for this company is I'm able to offer you a 15% discount code, which I will flash up on screen, but also there is a direct link in the video description. So if you click on that, it will automatically give you that discount. Thanks everyone for watching. Hopefully we get some nice weather so you can also get out there and clean your pride and joys. Thanks all for watching. Really appreciate the continued support. If you can like this video, leave a comment. If you watch my videos but aren't subscribed, I would really appreciate if you could click that subscribe button. See you again soon.